Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can enable the developer options at the Samsung Galaxy A72. Okay, so what we need for are the settings. So you will find them here if you scroll down here. And here's the symbol for the settings. Tap it. And now we have to scroll down to the very last point, About Phone. Tap it. And here we will need the software information. Tap it, and here we will need the build number, and you have to tap that build number now for 7 times, and you are a developer now for your phone. Okay, if you go back now one step and another step so that you're back in the general settings, you will find now below About Phone. If you swipe up here, you will find below About Phone the developer options. Okay. And now you can do the stuff you want to do, maybe to enable the stay awake mode or the USB debugging and so on and so on. And after, if you're ready with the stuff you wanted to do, you can also disable them here with the first line if you just off it like this. So if you go now back one step, the developer options will disappear. So, but you can have them back, as I said, with 7 times, if you tap 7 times on the build number. Yo. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe till next time. Ciao.